Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you steps on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Reasons Bank. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to sign up into an online banking account, first thing you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.reasons.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you'll type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So right on this page in the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see an option as enroll in online banking. You need to click on it. After you click on it, you'll be directed to the enrollment page, and then in the left hand side corner, you'll be able to see the blank spaces in order to provide your information to enroll into an online banking account. So to get started, you need to enter the following information. That includes entering your social security number and email address. And if you don't have a social security number, you need to click on the option that is I don't have a social security number, and then you'll be able to have some alternative. And moving on, you'll have to enter your contact information. That could either be your email address or a phone number. And also you'll need to slightly scroll down, and right at the bottom you have an option as the account type. You'll need to select it accordingly. After you're done selecting the account type, click on next in the bottom right corner, and then you'll need to create your online access. So for that, you need to create your user ID and a password. So for the confirmation, you need to type in twice, and then on the third interface you have a confirmation. In order to confirm, a verification code or an OTP will be sent through an SMS or an email, so you need to enter it right on that page. After that, you have successfully enrolled into an online banking account of Reasons Bank. So that is how you can enroll or register into an online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.